Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will give you introduction on Leads Leap as well as what Leads Leap can do to help us for marketing tasks. It doesn't matter for those who don't know what Leads Leap is. Don't worry. We will explain it step by step in detail. But for today's video we only give you highlight on what Leads Leap can do for us. If you are ready, let's start now. Before we are diving to this powerful marketing tools, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss any video like this. Leads Leap is one of the all-in-one powerful marketing platforms in the market. That means within Leads Leap we can do most of the marketing tasks without others. It will make our tasks more efficient and effective. More importantly, it is free to use. Some of free tools in Leads Leap which need to be purchased in other similar marketing platforms. If you never used Leads Leap before, you are free to grab your account in the link description below. In Leads Leap you can advertise your website or business for free. Yes, it's free. Amazing. Right? You can see there are ads from other members within Leads Leap. Let me show you now. Here. You can use two types of ads, one is free and another is for pro member. Free ads is credit-based and consume ads when members view your ads. Pro ads don't consume credits and it will be active forever if you don't delete or pause it. It is another great feature for pro member. Being free member you can utilize credits to advertise your websites. We will talk about this in upcoming videos. Another great feature in Leads Leap is Link Tracker. The main job of Link Tracker is to tell us if we are getting clicks from real visitors or bots. You may regard bots as some automated programs that they can pretend human but actually not. Leads Leap only counts those clicks longer than 1 second as real. As this is introduction, so we may not go into many details. At this stage, you simply regard track links can provide you information like click statistics. We will discuss this later in detail. For those who have experience in Traffic Exchange, you may heard about what is Rotator. Most likely Rotator is not free in Traffic Exchange or they only provide limited feature. But in Leads Leap you can use it for free. Rotator is a single link that it will rotate all the links based on the weighting. Let me show you some examples of Rotator. As you see, there are many links in a Rotator. It can be track links or page links with your desired weighting. Ad bars is another form of tracker in Leads Leap. If you have experience in Traffic Exchange or viral mailers, you may know what ad bars look like. If not, let me show you some ad bars example. Ad bars can show in different places like your coop link, track link and page link. So it is up to you whether to utilize ad bars in your track links. Don't worry if you don't know what coop link is. Our tutorials will teach you step by step. In this introduction we only bring you in the world of Leads Leap and let you know what we can do in Leads Leap. No matter what size of your business is, email marketing play an important role and around 20% to 40% of sales are generated by email marketing. Don't you heard, the money is in your list? Without building email list your business can't grow too further. Email marketing is one of powerful tools in Leads Leap. It is management list service called SendSteed. In Leads Leap we can create different lists in List Manager. Then we can create emails in Email Series. Once your email series is ready you can use it for different marketing purpose. Let's say when visitors access your newsletter in some websites. Once they provide their information they will be opt-in to your list. Whenever you have some updates in websites you can send email to notify them or you even have well-designed email follow-up to engage and interact with them. One common use of email list is to provide e-course or online course. Most likely you can provide email course or redirect them to your online course with email follow-up. When it comes to email list there are many possibilities. One common way to create online course is by System.io, which is an excellent online course platform for content creators and teachers. You can check the link in the description below if you have interest to start online course business. Keep in mind email series is available for pro members. For free members, they only allow to send broadcast messages to their subscribers. If you want to know more about the Leads Leap features difference between free and pro plan before you decide to join, don't forget to watch till the end, otherwise you may lose the chance to meet our best friend, Leads Leap. I believe that some of you have experience to promote website with their direct link, but it is not easy for visitors to click on it, right? That's why Page Builder and Form Pop-up Manager come into Leads Leap. In general, you may include lots of information in your website, but visitors may feel too much when they visit your website for the first time. So before you bring your potential customers to your websites, you can create a simple page that make them curious about your website by providing their basic information. That is what Page Builder can help you. Let me show you some examples of pages created by Leads Leap. We will show you step by step how to create page in coming tutorials. Let's say this capture page allows visitors to earn recurring income by providing their first name and best email. Once they clicked the button, their infos will be opt-in to Leads Leap Emily list. Then we can follow up with them with email series. This capture page is our team resource page, which contains different kinds of business opportunities as well as training center. We also include these two pages in link description if you have interest to learn more. For the pop-up manager, we can create forms in two main styles. One is inline and other is pop-up. There is no specific rules for us to use which type. It depends on our usage. For example, if you want to collect visitors' information from your website, you can use inline form. If you are heavy usage WordPress user, then I have good news for you, because you can integrate Leads Leap pop-up form with WordPress. Another usage of pop-up form is that you can show it when visitors want to leave the website. Then you can make visitors to provide their information before leaving. Don't worry if you don't know what I'm talking about. For detail, we will show you step by step how to create page and form with Leads Leap Builder. The features that I'm going to introduce now may not be interested by some users, but it may make your marketing task more efficient. That is Rebrander and hosting service. What is Rebrander? If you are a content creator and always write articles and ebooks, then Rebrander is for you. It allows you to transform your own ebook into rebrandable PDF ebook. It is not only a great way to generate leads and drive traffic to your business, but also helping others promoting their own business as well. The reason is that others can use your rebrandable PDF to promote their business. Except you can use Leads Leap to rebrand your own PDF ebook. I also found a good website which allow us to download PLR ebooks to promote our business. These ebooks are written by subject matter experts which are reliable and professional. If you want to learn more about this PLR website, you can refer to the link description below also. Within Leads Leap we can store our PDF and image files. Then we can include these PDF and image files in our capture pages. If you have interest, you can try it yourself, but remind that it is only available to pro member. Leads Leap is not only our marketing platform, but also a great platform to earn extra income. We can make money with Leads Leap by 5 easy ways. Let me show you one by one. First, we can earn by promoting your Leads Leap affiliate link. You will get 25 to 50% recurring commission when your referrals upgrade. Second, we can earn through our Leads Leap Coop link. When someone click on our Coop link, earning will be credited to your account. It sounds easy, right? Third, this earning method is for those who have their website and blog. You can earn when people click on the ads showing in your blog. Don't worry if you don't have blog. You also can earn by showing ads on your Leads Leap trackers and pages. Remaining 2 are simple ways to earn. What you need to do is to be active in Leads Leap. That means you need to click Leads Leap ads every day. Then you can get daily active bonus and just convert your credits to cash. Under General, My Clicks and Credit Stats, you have an overview for your clicks including personal clicks, Coop clicks, and PPC clicks. If you want to learn how to earn bucks in Leads Leap easily, don't forget to watch our tutorials as we will show you some techniques how to earn more quickly than general methods. In Leads Leap we have different kinds of resources to promote our affiliate link. There are different links to promote Leads Leap. The main Leads Leap affiliate link and SendSteed. SendSteed is free list management system we talked before. We also can promote Leads Leap with 2 free giveaway. One is Insider Advertising Report and 1 Sign Up a Day. If you like, you can make use of these to promote your affiliate link. The affiliate link is embedded into these reports. Once people joined Leads Leap with these reports, they will become your referrals. There are many ways to promote your Leads Leap affiliate link such as viral mailer, traffic exchange, discussion forum, blog and social media, and so on. We will show you how to promote Leads Leap in later video. Under Affiliate Traffic Stats, we can track where clicks and sign up come from as well as the number of clicks from these sources. By using Leads Leap internal traffic, it allows us to spread the word of mouth of different programs through submitting our review. Some of you may think, does it work? Yes, it works better than your own blog. Because not many bloggers have good score on their website's SEO. But with the help of Leads Leap you have 2 benefits. One is getting good leads from these reviews, and another is getting better SEO. Because all the reviews will be read not only Leads Leap members, but also for people who directly search with search engines. Basically, we can post and read reviews with Leads Leap social reviews. Don't underestimate the power of social networking. Another way to interact with your referrals and followers is leave them so-called follower message. In Leads Leap you are not allowed to send them emails directly, which violate the best practice of email marketing. What you can do is that you can add follower message, then message will be shown in their member area. Just like my sponsor who posted follower message, then I can see it. It just locates in the sidebar. This video is only for introductory purpose, so it may not cover all the stuffs. But don't worry, we will have different tutorials for Leads Leap. Now we will give you a summary on comparison between free and pro membership. For the advertising, free members are allowed to post maximum of 3 ads with credits, while pro members are allowed to post maximum of 10 ads with credits. Their ads can show as long as there are sufficient credits in balance. Only pro members are allowed to post maximum of 10 pro ads, but free members don't. The traffic source from free and pro members are different. Ads will be exposed more in Coop network for pro members. Also, the traffic volume is different for free and pro members. It depends on credit level and monthly traffic. These are not actual traffic, sometimes may be more or less. Social Review is available for pro members. They can submit reviews with their affiliate link rotation ratio of 4.5. Their top recommendations will be featured in followers' dashboards as well as spillover. In Leads Leap each member can have 10 levels of followers. Free members don't have spillover followers, but pro members have. For the link tracker, there is not much difference between free and pro members. Except free members are not allowed to change custom path and unable to use private domain on tracker URL. The number of link trackers for pro members is unlimited. Free members can only have 10 ad bars and 10 rotators and 199 tracked links. When it comes to List Manager, pro members have no limits, but keep in mind that Leads Leap only allow double opt-in. Double opt-in means that visitors required to verify their email address after opt-in to complete the process. Because single opt-in may have risk to collect visitors with invalid information. Also, unlike some marketing platforms, Leads Leap are not allowed to import email. They only accept email collected by double opt-in. For free members, they have maximum of 10 lists and can send emails to subscribers through broadcast, not more than 10 monthly. For Page Builder and Form Pop-up Creator, both free and pro members are similar except the maximum number that they can create. If you are a free member, you can create up to 10 pages with 2 multiple designs per page and up to 10 with opt-in form. Free members are not allowed to have custom path and unable to use private domain on Page Builder. There is no limitation on pro members, as free members' rebrander and hosting services are not available to them. These are available to pro members, but there is limitation on hosting service. They are allowed to have up to 500 files and 100 megabytes including images and PDFs. In Leads Leap we have 5 ways to earn income. As you see from the table, there is no much difference between pro and free members. If you are pro members, you can enjoy 10% of daily active bonus, while free members only have 5%. Provided that you meet the minimum requirement of 10 clicks daily to qualify for the bonus. The more you click, the more bonus you can get. It depends on the credits members earn on each day. For affiliate commission, even you are free member, you still can have 25% recurring, while 50% recurring for pro members when your referrals upgrade to pro. If you are new to Leads Leap, I believe this video can provide you some useful information before you decide to join or not. I go through most of the features of Leads Leap as well as features comparison between free and pro plan. When you are ready, don't forget to join Leads Leap in the link description below. It is all-in-one powerful marketing platform we cannot omit in our marketing tools portfolio. It's the end for our Leads Leap introduction. If you think this video is useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, then you may not miss any videos like this one. See you in the next video.